Hey everybody, how you doing? It is Mr. Bookman, and I will be reading Bunny Braves the Day by Suzanne Bloom. Please enjoy. And I want to welcome some brand new subscribers here to my channel. Welcome aboard. And people, thank you for making me reach 500 subscribers. I really appreciate it big time. Thank you again for getting me up to 500 subscribers. And please share out this channel. Now on to the story.
Hopefully the price is low enough that Barry and Adelaide can build a bedroom that doesn't come equipped with a spin cycle.
What do you feel about the property?
Like how small it was?
And Adam, Bunny Lump, I'm not going. What? You have to go. It's the first day of school. No, I don't. I'm hibernating.
I have to wonder, how much is this house going to cost?
Why? I'm too tired. I'm not ready. I don't know anybody.
There's a lot we can do with that. We can add a couple rooms to...
What if no one likes me?
Higher master bedroom?
Yeah, there you go. They name the house again, so yeah, that's fine.
Next up,
Are you nervous? I was nervous, so I
the town of Sterling is
put
right across the water. But you can
Ollie in my pocket. Did it help?
locals have to
Well,
drive
sort of.
30 minutes to the
Then I made friends with
across the river by car.
Road I got here in Burlington.
Abba.
Shouldn't get to me without in the wintertime.
This part of the Kenai
Maybe I'll wear my tiger tail.
so people here have to deal with the commute year-round.
Good luck. Get dressed. Good luck. Get dressed. I can't. Why not? I can't find any underpants. My socks are too short. My shorts are too long. I can't even tie my shoes.
It's massive. So many things I can do with that. There's even a work table over there. Let's see if there's any improvements I need to
You're-
do on the house.
You got the jitters. When I had the jitters, I wore my slip-on glitter shoes. Did it help? Pretty much. It's hard to feel jittery when you're glittery. Maybe I'll wear my super shirt.
If we get a lot of rainfall,
Good choice. Let's get breakfast.
this home runs on city power, and there's a few modern comforts inside for Derek and Adelina.
Nope. 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 Nope.
Outside is
My tummy hurts. Now what? I might have a cold. I'm probably contagious.
definitely a plus in my book. Many Alaskans install in-floor heating because it's
I feel like a big, giant frog in flip-flop in my belly. It's trying to hop out of my throat. And what if it comes out? So I better not go. Looks like he's trying to get out of not going to school. Because I don't know how to read.
amazed us how nice this kitchen was.
Nice big fridge.
Oh, Bunny.
Have on the
Sometimes you feel like crying before you feel like trying. You'll find a friend. Not all shoes use
Derek and Adelina need, but there's not
laces, and teachers love to teach reading. It's what they
great for Gary and I.
live for.
If we have guests over, it's a little too small for everyone. All right, you guys ready for work?
Besides, you know a lot of things.
Oh my goodness.
You know how to make mom smile. You can dance like a happy dragon. Your drawings are
And what's it? We have a closet.
fabulous.
Oh my goodness. This master closet is awesome.
There's a big closet.
That is huge.
And best of all, you're curious and you like to learn new things. Okay, I'm ready, except for one more thing. Mom will kiss me. Mom will be at work all day. Remember? I think she might need my tiger tail.
You won't have to worry about getting wet.
I really feel like
You're a brave bunny. You could do this.
hang out in the porch, really have a blast with our friends and family. This is definitely one of my favorite parts of the house. What do you guys think about this property?
It looks like he went to school after all. It was his first day at school. Oh. Well, everybody, hope all of you enjoyed this book reading, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up. Share it. If you're new and you came along this book reading, hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other book readings I got. I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr. Bookman, and this book reading's over. Have a good one. Take care.